What a rainy morning!
Straight into class, boys and girls.
Quick, hurry in out of the wet, everyone. And hang up your wet coats. All ready to settle down for a very important carpet time with Mrs. Pavan. Today, the children are going to learn all about Remembrance Day.
Now then, what are some of us wearing?
I got one too.
Yeah. Do you want to come and stand here and show the boys and girls your poppy? Look.
Freya's wearing a big poppy.
Some people like to wear poppies because it reminds them of something. What do you think it reminds them of?
The war.
Remembrance is all about remembering and giving thanks to those who fought for our country.
So we wear poppies to remember those people who were trying to keep us safe, to show them respect, isn't it? So we don't forget that we are safe today because of all those people who were brave a long time ago, isn't it? We've got some jobs to do, okay? We are making a big, huge poppy in class so we don't forget those people who were brave.
A giant poppy sounds wonderful. It's going to be shared with the whole school in a very special Remembrance Assembly.